Welcome to episode 14 of traders selling their ass on Instagram as if it's OnlyFans. Today's episode is on TJR, which you guys hate because I continue to make episodes on him. But I will not stop until he's indicted by the SEC. Today's topic is about one-of-one funding, which is a prop firm owned and created by TJR, except he rug pulled it last year. Here are the receipts. I'm going to put the corporation on the screen here, which was obviously made in Florida. And then when he eventually knew he was going to rug pull everybody, he ended up moving that corporation to Puerto Rico. Here's also a message from his Discord explaining he's still the only owner of one-of-one funding and there's nothing to worry about, so make sure you cancel your dispute. So what happened with one-of-one funding? Well, it was a prop firm created by TJR because he wanted the full pie, and obviously he didn't want to continue to collect, a piece of the pie from all these other prop firms using his code. So he created his own funding company thinking it was going to be sweet, and because he got greedy. They ended up not being able to pay out 7 figures. It was in the millions. People were complaining, people were disputing, and he continued to tell people, do not worry, you will be paid out. Did it ever happen? Absolutely not. And he completely vanished with the company. Now, if you go to his store, you'll see that he posts 10 different prop firms a day with his discount code because he gets to still collect a piece of the pie, except he will not be held accountable if anything went wrong. So what happened? He disappeared with the company, which is a complete scam, and it was complete fraud. Nobody talks about it. He doesn't even bring it up in any of his interviews. He doesn't talk about how the company failed. One-of-one funding scammed thousands and thousands of people. Not only that, they use CFDs, which is unregulated, and that means you can edit data and trades on the back end. Shout out to TJR because this is not his first and last scam attempt.